YouTube, it's LPS Lava here, and I'm entering Midnight 8653 LPS fashionable contest. So here we go. Dun 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 dun. Going shopping. So this LPS is going shopping. If you can see her headband, and she has blue and purple sweater. Here, I'll just destroy it. Okay. If you could see her, and she's carrying along a silver and with the pink flower push. This headband is not LPS clothing, but it's pretty cute. And yeah, she's going to the mall. So yeah, I hope I win, and good luck everybody. Bye! I'm going shopping!